Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal, Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we are a truck dealer on the eastern side of the state, right along the Mississippi River in an area called the Quad Cities. So our dealership's actually located right on Highway 67 and only 2 miles south of Interstate 80. All right guys, so we are a truck dealer. We sell a lot of trucks and utility vehicles, cargo vans. We have a commercial division, and this rig right here is out of that. It's a 2016 Chevy 3500, so it's a 1-ton regular cab dually, 4-wheel drive with the utility bed back there. That's a Knapheide utility bed. This thing has only 99,000 miles on it. It's really clean. It actually came out of southern Missouri. It's kind of funny. It has a Boss plow prep package that comes with it, but I'm telling you, I don't think this thing ever plowed an inch of snow. It is clean. So hey, we'll give you a walk around on it, guys. Again, it's a 1-ton, sitting on hand-cooked Dynapro tires. I'd say, they're definitely 50%, if not more. It does have the tow package with the tow mirrors, factory trailer brake controller inside there. This is a Knapheide bed. They're a nice bed. As you can see, it's really clean. A lot of these out of the northern part of the United States will be starting to rust and everything down here, but this one's really, really clean. It's got a lot of nice shelving in it. There's your hand-cooked tires again. But yeah, just look at the underside of that thing. That thing is clean, This has the 6-liter Vortec V8 engine. Again, you got your bed that you can flip down, use it as a truck bed too. Tow package there. It's got its dings and scratches, guys. Obviously it's a utility vehicle, but overall in good shape. The engine is running right there. That 6 liters just purring. On the inside here, you got three-person passenger here. That flips up. There's your books. Automatic, does have cruise control, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive right there. Overall in great shape. That seat over there does have a little tear in it. I'm gonna try to get that fixed for you before you get it. But overall, it's a nice shape, guys. Just came in yesterday, so it is next on the docket to go get serviced and all checked over. 99,000 miles is all it has on it. We're priced under 30 grand on this rig. It's a nice rig. It's ready to go, guys. Like I said, we'll get it serviced for you. Then come get it and put it in your fleet and start making money. All right, guys. Any questions, give us a call, 563-424-2000. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com. I got a bunch of pictures on there. Again, guys, there's going to be a few little rock chips, things like that, some rock chips there. It's a work truck, but overall it's in good shape. It's got good service records. We're going to have the oil change and all of it checked over for you. So go to our website, tealtrucks.com, or just give us a call, 563-424-2000. Until next time, have a good one.